Hey guys, what is going on? Mark here, back with another video. When you're watching this video, hopefully I am releasing this video on Bonfire Night, 5th of November. Remember the 5th of November. And so, as you probably read the title already, you probably know what this video is going to be about. That's right, today we are going to be burning all of the work from my GCSEs. That's right, today we are going to be burning all of the work from my GCSEs. I knew before I'd even finished my GCSEs that I wanted to do something like this, possibly turn it into a video, and so here I am making this video for you guys. It's not actually Bonfire Night at the moment, because Bonfire Night is on the Monday. And on Monday I have to go to college, so unfortunately on Monday I can't. Actually, I guess I could film it Monday evening, but then I also have kickboxing Monday evening, and also Monday evening is Bonfire Night, and that's when you guys are going to be wanting to watch the video, right? So today is Friday. Today is Friday, and I wanted to do it today in celebration of Bonfire Night, you know what I mean? And that way I have tomorrow and the day after that to edit the video so that it can go up for you guys on Monday. And yeah, that's why I'm here. Now, I know it's not quite dark enough for me to do it just yet, so don't worry, I will be doing it when it is nice and dark. But I looked out the window and I saw this sunset, and I was like, oh my god, that is beautiful. I need to like do the intro in this beautiful sunset, because honestly, it's one of the most beautiful things. Just look at that. How beautiful it is. It's honestly insane. I love it so much. It's brilliant. So yeah, here we are. Here's the intro of the video. Hi guys, how you doing? And yeah, so we're going to be burning all my GCSEs. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take you upstairs into this my old study room kind of thing. It's kind of like a study room that I'm meant to use, but I don't really use it for studying because, I mean, I don't know. I use my laptop on my computer a lot for studying, and it's not in the study room, is it? So that's why I end up just studying in my normal room, and I can't be bothered to walk all the way to another room just to study, even though it's like right next to my bedroom. Although I feel like I should use it because it's good to have a different workspace than where you know, in my bedroom, I do everything in my bedroom. I sleep in my bedroom, I game in my bedroom, I edit videos in my bedroom, I study in my bedroom. I mean, I don't eat in my bedroom, I eat downstairs. I don't go to school in my bedroom, obviously. But apart from that, like, I do a lot in my bedroom. So, yeah, we're gonna be going to that now, and I will see you in a second. You ready? You ready? You ready? It's gonna be a sunset, it's gonna be a sunset transition. Alright, so this is my little study sort of thing. Honestly, like, look at the desk, there's literally no space for me to study. I don't actually use this for studying at this current point in time. But these two giant piles of books are my GCSEs. And as you can see, there is a lot of them. There is a lot of them. Literally, there is so much here. I honestly, like, I'm going to be there for a while. I'm going to have to burn them in batches. But yeah, I'm not burning my revision guides and stuff. These are all my revision guides. I'm leaving them for my little sister, because obviously she's going through GCSEs, so she's going to need them. But everything else, like, are these my history notes? Oh, damn, these are my history notes. Okay, we can add these to the pile, because obviously I don't have history anymore. My sister hasn't taken history for GCSE, so I'll be adding them into the pile. This is a bit of A-level there, so I'm going to leave that. But yeah, literally anything I can find, which I feel like I'm not going to be using for A-level, and my sister won't be using for GCSE, is going to burn, baby, burn. So, yeah. Okay, so we're here in the conservatory. All of the books I have now moved downstairs to the ping pong table, and basically we're going to be taking them outside. You can't really see it because of the reflection, because it's dark, but out there is where we're going to be burning them, in sort of like the barbecue pit, because there's a lot of rules and regulations and stuff about bonfires and stuff like that. So we're just going to put them bit by bit in the barbecue. So yeah. So I just found this book, and this is my PSEHE book from year 7, and oh, I had literally the best teacher, and we all had to take photos, and he warped our faces. This was me from year 7. Oh man, I gotta keep this. I gotta rip this out. We'll burn the rest, but we'll rip out the front cover because that's just a beautiful work of art. You know what, guys? I just realized that I thought I was burning all of my GCSEs and all of that. But actually, this isn't just my GCSEs. This is every single workbook since year 7. Hence this, I just realized this is from year 7. And all of this work here, this is all from year 7. Which is actually crazy. All of this is year 7. And then, I mean, most of it is GCSE. This pile, these two piles I'm pretty sure are GCSE, and I'm pretty sure this pile is GCSE. So this is all like year 7, 8, 9 and stuff. I'm not really sure, a lot has got mixed around. But yeah, there's a lot of year 7, year 8, year 9. It's not just GCSE. You're getting more content than you asked for. I think in the title I'm gonna still put burning all my GCSEs. But yeah, that's crazy, guys. Okay, so I'm starting off with maths. This is the first maths book, and there goes all the maths. So I'm literally just going to burn all of my maths books now. I'm going to go subject at a time. So what you have to do is you have to take it piece by paper by paper, otherwise it will get smothered, and just literally just grab the past papers, which helped me so unbelievably much. You have to scrunch them up so there's space for the oxygen to get in. And then, there you go, it'll burn away. Beautiful. So there we go. I'm going to carry on burning the rest of the maths, and then I'll see you guys at the next subject that we decide to burn. Okay, so next up we have biology. I don't know if you can see that, but next up we've got all of my biology books. So I've pre-scrunched some papers just so that I can do a quick montage of me throwing paper into the fire. So oh look, past paper, definitely past now. Oh shit, there we go. Oh no, oh god, get another piece of paper, whack it in there. Come on Mark, you got this, come on. There we go, it's in. Fire solved. So I'm going to carry on burning the rest of my biology because my camera is very low on charge, especially since I have to use flash so that you guys can see what's going on. So my camera's running really low on charge. I would love to have done a time lapse of this. When I get my vlogging camera in the future, when I do stuff like this, I'll be able to just set that one aside and just have it time lapse of me throwing stuff in the fire pit. But yeah, I'm gonna do all the rest of the biology stuff, and then I'm gonna move on to the next subject. Okay, so I had to rip off the cover of this because the fire was going out and I needed to fuel it. Oh, fuel. Take fuel. Here, take it. But yeah, we're moving on to chemistry next. Then we're going to be moving on to physics. And yeah, we're just going to go subject by subject. I'm literally just going to go and grab books from the conservatory and chuck them in here. And I've only got 14 minutes of storage space on my phone left. So I'm going to have to try and, you know, do as little filming as I can. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a, I don't know. Okay, so what I've done here is I've literally gotten the book and I've turned it into a tent, and I'm hoping that this will work. Oh my god, it's gone green! It's gone green! What is this? Isn't my wallet? This is probably all the chemicals from the lab. It's burning green. Lick, nay, kill, cock, green. Copper! Copper burns green. Copper. See, I learned something in chemistry. Yo, that's actually sick! That's so cool. And that's just going to spread, and I'm hoping the whole thing will burn. I'm actually just going to light this on fire. I'm just going to light this on fire. Oh shit. Then I'm going to hopefully get the other side of this lit, so that it's not just one side burning. I'm going to do a little montage of me throwing stuff in. Wow, that's insane. What I might do is I might just get all of the covers of my books, and I think it's the cover that's making it go green. I might get all the covers of my books and see what colour I can make a fire go. Okay, so as you know, the flames change colours with the covers. So what I've done is I've stripped all of the covers, and we're just going to burn the covers, and we're going to see how the flames look. So, yeah. There we go. Okay, breathe fire. And I presume that the coloured card should make it coloured. Now, I know the blue worked last time. The blue turned it a colour. So far we've got some red and some orange in here. The red and orange doesn't seem to be changing the colour. Let's see if the blue works again. So last time we got a green flame from the blue. This time we're not getting a green flame from the blue. So maybe it was a chemical in my lab book that actually made it go the different colour. Let's try green. And that's my chemistry book as well, so you'd think that that one would change colour if it would, but no. And I mean, I have a lot of this paper. Yeah, so I'm a bit disappointed actually, because we don't seem to be having any colour change. I think that was just the one book, probably had some chemicals in it from chemistry or biology. Was that a bit of blue over there? I think that's a bit of blue. A tiny bit. Yeah, we've got a little bit of a green edge over here, but... Is that going... You can sort of see green on the tip. I don't know if that's... No, not really. Sort of want the fire to go over to both sides. Oh, back there, I think that was a bit of green. getting smoky, but gotta keep fueling the fire. Oh, there's a tiny green flame back there. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, can you see that? I don't know if the camera really shows it, but there's it's sort of masked. Well. Yeah, it's masked by the. Yeah, but actually, like the whole base of it, that book must be contaminated because that's really gone green. I really like that.
Actually, you can see every now and then a little green flame coming up. Yeah, you can see that every now and then. Yeah, look.
Oh yeah, can we keep fueling it?
Oh yeah, that's very green now.
Oh nice. Yeah, that's actually gone really well. I don't know how that's ended up so green. That one's extremely green. That's got to be showing up. Yeah, you can see that's green. Yeah. Oh wow, that's amazing. These books are really contaminated. Jesus, that's amazing.
They must use copper in the dye somehow.
Yeah. So this maths book is sort of a different material. You can't really see it because it's very dark. But if I shine it, it's sort of like a different, it's almost like a recycled material. So I'm not really sure what will happen with this. I bet it'll probably be really anticlimactic. But here we go. Let's see if we can get maybe, I'd like a purple. That would be nice, a pink, a lilac. Any potassium in here would make a nice lilac. Oh, it's green. I'll take that. It's very green. Oh, actually no, it's a lot of yellow. Not as green as that one other book. That one was extremely green. I'm going to stir it up a bit because I don't know. Yeah, there's tiny bits of green, but they don't really show up with the camera very much. It's a shame. Maybe one day when we upgrade to a proper vlogging camera. Oh, that one's got a lot of green in it. So yeah, it seems to be, the conclusions are this. It seems to be the blue books give the most greenness. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna burn the rest of everything, and yeah. Okay guys, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you could smash that like button so that this video can go viral and we can find some new people over to our channel. Also, if you haven't already, I would love it if you guys could subscribe. We're trying to hit 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and your help would be absolutely awesome. I thought today's video turned out really good, to be honest with you. I really wasn't expecting the green flames, and honestly, the camera just did not do it justice, guys. It looked amazing. So definitely a vlogging camera is an investment that I'm going to make. If the vlogging camera grows, I'll make the investments. So yeah, the green fire was honestly like, that's something that I'm glad I've seen, you know what I mean? I just cannot describe what it was like in real life, honestly. My dad saw it and even he was just impressed by the green flames. It really was amazing. I mean, at one point it was nothing but green flames and the camera just, I don't know, I'll see the footage in a minute. Haven't edited it yet. This is just me. At the end of the day, I'm going to go have a shower now. I smell smoky as hell. Honestly, it's unbelievable. Thank you guys for watching this video. Once I'd finished recording, I just started playing with the fire. I just loved how, like, when it's gone out and you've just got, like, the embers and they're just glowing, right? Put a little bit of paper in and just blow on it. And then the whole thing just lights up and it feels like you're breathing fire. You're literally giving life to the fire. It feels amazing. So yeah, if you want more of that kind of stuff, then follow me on Instagram, guys. I'll leave a link to that in the description. But with all that out of the way, guys, I really appreciate you watching this video. You help me to follow my dreams, do what I want to do. So I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.
What's holding you down? I